Have a good day.
Hey, LA Beast here, and today I am 100% royally f***ed. Now everything on this table is not only going to make my butthole pucker, but it's also going to make my face pucker because everything on this table is either extremely bitter or sour. Now for those of you who don't know, Bitrex is the most bitter chemical compound known to man, according to the Guinness Book of World Records, and only 1 teaspoon put into an Olympic-sized swimming pool will 100% royally f*** it up. And all that I did today was douse 10 extreme sour warheads in Bitrex, and I plan on eating all 10. They're rapidly losing disintegration. I don't know what that means. Now after I dominate the extreme bitter Bitrex warheads, I plan on lambasting my taste buds with extreme sour. And that includes consuming 1 whole lemon, 1 tablespoon of malic acid, and downing this entire bottle of lemon juice. Why? Because I want to see if things that are bitter are worse than things that are sour. I am the LA Beast, and this is bitter versus sour. Have a good day. I feel nauseous already. Okay. I'm just gonna do it one at a time. Okay. I'm drooling on my chair. Okay, so you don't want to keep it in your mouth. Oh God, okay. It's like taking a vacuum. It's like farting into a vacuum and then blowing that fart into your mouth. Oh, except it's bitter. It's like the sour from the candy is making it bearable. That's a bad one. Oh, it just tastes like ass. It tastes like pure bread ass in your mouth. It stank. Oh, almost soft there. Okay. Well, 5 more. It's like it hits the back of your tongue. Okay. I don't know if you're supposed to eat this. Okay. I don't know, man. I'm trying. 3 more. Okay. Okay. It's stuck in my teeth. 2 more. Enough of the Bitrex. Oh my god. Like it's crawling down the... It's nauseating. It's very nauseating. I gotta swallow. Oh my God. Okay. I think I'm done. I think I figured out what's worse without even trying it. Oh my God. Oh. I'd say Bitrex is by far the most bitter and disgusting substance known to man. Holy shit. I don't feel well. Try it out. Bitrex.com. Bitrex.com. Give it a shot. Holy cow. Oh, have a good day. Bitrex gets the dog. Bitrex is no joke. That is by far the worst thing I've done. There's no way. I can't even have Gatorade right now. Like, all it tastes like is Bitrex. And it's stuck on the back of my tongue where my taste buds are, and I kind of want to, when I'm speaking, I want to vomit. I can't even speak. That was a pussy effort on my part. I apologize for not eating the sour things, but I just tried to take a sip of my Gatorade and it tastes like Bitrex. So I can only imagine. If I ate the lemons, the malic acid, Furious Pete's idea, by the way, and the lemon juice, it would taste like malic acid. I've just been hovering over this bucket for this entire time. Hovering over a bucket. Just imagine taking a skunk, putting it on the back of your tongue, and then having the skunk release its juices. All that potent extract is what it feels like. Just it's not going away. It's bitter. It's what I would have. It's hard to explain. It's nauseating. It is disgusting. It is nauseating, and it's a deterrent. They put this stuff in chemicals that are underneath the kitchen sink, so kids won't eat the chemicals. So I'm not even sure if I'm supposed to consume Bitrex like I did, but oh man. Huh. I'm just gonna lay here. Have a good day. Hey, LA Beast here, and today my mission is quite simple, and that is to become a human bottle opener. And all that consists of is me cracking open all 45 these beer bottles with my teeth. Why? Because I can. And I'm stupid.